has to be a story,
You
Cameron.
gotta show us it's the good
Once
guy.
upon a time, there's a warrior. At another one. So, these two fighted too, but they only for sparring. I know, a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yay, meat time.
That was a very weak Tyrannosaurus Rex. It looked like he just drowned.
It's a
Oh no, it's a stronger
Tyrannosaurus
one.
Really prototype.
Nothing nice about it.
Okay, more narration, please.
What's happening?
What's happening, Cameron?
The Tyrannosaurus Rex is defeating the little girl. Defeat.
Killer.
Oh, that's a girl warrior?
Oh no, UFO! Shoot.
A UFO?
These aliens are way ahead of us.
Apparently.
You saved my life.
And now they like each other?
Wait.
I thought she was dead.
But look, another dinosaur.
Oh, another one? That's awesome sound. Sword sound.
Well, that's the end of that.
Now what?
Yay! Right in the nuts.
How about something new?
Right in the
yeah.
nuts?
Right.
What he said?
Tell us the story.
There's nothing going on.
We need more plot.
You're losing your audience.
We didn't pay to see this. The end?
No.
The end. Yay!